I'm going to Miami. Okay. Back at it. Back like a chiropractor. You know, this is the yard with the tiny air conditioner that I made a short of. I can do that. And it's funny, I came last visit with my small mower because my X-Mark was in the shop and I carried it and I didn't film it. But now I can't carry it and I'm filming it. I need E-A-I-O. Terrible, okay. Where do I start? Why did I sing? Yeah. Dang. So I'm only gonna mow the front and I have to weed whack the back. For why? It's gonna take 2 minutes, watch. And it's not even that I wanted to do a 2-minute yard. I didn't call her and say, let me do your yard. She called me. And it just happened to be a small yard. And I forgot what else I was gonna say. I've become what a mother would want a son. I have done a few things I regret. I've become. I don't even know if I sing like that when I'm by myself, not filming. Truthfully, I don't know why I'm singing now. Oh, I mean, I'm usually listening to AirPods, so it makes you not think and be creative. See, that's why AirPods and Bluetooth is bad. One is bad for your brain. Two, it blocks your brain from just being creative and pure. But here we are. Oh, and I don't have string. You gotta be kidding me. Maybe that's what I get for taking 2 minutes on the yard. So now y'all really about to watch me freaking string my thing up. I've become what a mother. You know, I used to have a speed feed, but I didn't like how it didn't seem like it saved me a lot of time, honestly, by having to crank. Maybe it does, I don't know. You know, maybe I should get a speed feed again. It was a while ago. But I mean, I have a couple spools and they're just not loaded, so it's kind of useless. Like if you ever feel like you buy a bunch of stuff, you can only use one thing at once, and half the time when you buy in surplus, you don't always get to use it. I don't know. I mean, maybe just get a speed feed. This string isn't even that long. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, sorry. See, now I know I should flip the camera down. I don't even know how there's still a remainder when they're both even. I've become what a mother might want a son. So there's Uno. What an exciting video, but you know, this is real life. Behind the veil, the smoke and mirrors. Haters will say it's fake. And this string is not right. There we go. Wow. Worst string job of all of YouTube right here. You know, I'm glad that I'm glad that this happened, because if it was just like a 7-minute video, I guess it would make me look bad to be charging a lot for a little yard. Not that it matters, but maybe I won't even tell you how much this yard costs. I mean, pays. Unless somebody asks me. If you need to even out the line, kind of make it into sections. I just thought about this. Isn't it funny how we used to use scythes where you just go like this with a blade, and now a bunch of years later we just are still doing the same thing? It's kind of a big circle. There's nothing new under the sun. The more things change, the more they stay the same. watched my last video, maybe this is also why I have a six-pack, because this is just oblique twists over and over. And like I said, I don't really work out. I think it's pointless. This is working out. Why would you work out? You just twice for the, and then you're paying money to go to the gym. It's all dumb. All I did was I just made a rectangle, like geometry class, and I made the rectangle, did it, and then I did the big square, and that's it. The first time I did this yard, I weed whacked it, she was happy. The second time I weed whacked it, she was happy. The third time I mowed it, she was happy, and now I'm weed whacking it, it was happy, and she'll be happy. And if you see the clumps over there, that's from my mower, so maybe weed whacking is better anyways. My olive branch right there. Bang, bang, Bobby shot me in the heart. Oh, yeah. Look, think about this, y'all. Here's quantum physics. I believe that's the one that states there's infinite realities and universes where you and I are flip-flopped and I'm watching you, or you're wearing a blue shirt instead of a red shirt, and it's infinite like that. There must be, right? If you believe that. So listen to me and follow me. I've been mowing for like 6-7 years. I've never had a GoPro on, so I've never even thought to share this side of me with you, but it's totally different from the version that you see me trying to hide with a tripod and film when no one's home. I mean, I still don't want to film in anyone's home, but I can show you tips and I can share my thoughts when I'm mowing versus just doing it at the end of my day when I'm tired. Like, it's just happening. So this is like a different universe that you're tapped into. So if that's true, and then we have different universes that we can tap into, what makes you choose the one that you're on. Think about it like a radio. There's different radio frequencies you could turn into. You can go to rock, rap, gospel, whatever. But how do you choose? You change the tuning. So if you change your tuning, you can tune into different channels, right? So the only thing putting you in the spot that you're in is you're tuning into that. If that's good, cool. If not, then get out of there. What's wrong with you? Maybe I'm in a universe where I primed my blower first and I tried to start it right. There we go. I don't know how long that was, but that's mowing a yard. I do that over and over, then that's the job that you guys see, and that's the shit that I think about. Random stuff, but all this mental free time, walking accelerates your thinking, gives you really good ideas. So mowing not only makes you money, but it gives you good ideas, which therefore makes you money. The money doesn't make your ideas. Think about it. I was gonna say one more thing. Oh yeah, this yard is 65 every 2 weeks. It's tiny. Crazy, right? Here's how I landed it. I was busy when she called me. It's really far from my house too. So I told her 65. I didn't expect her to say yes, but if she did, I would have been down. So in one way, you could either be correct or pleasantly surprised. In this case, I was pleasantly surprised. She said yes, and so I did it. And you just watched it. Peace.